Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. I am here with a project share, design team project share for Coco and Reno. And they asked me to be their guest designer for the month of March and April. So this is my April rendition of what they've given me, my project share. This video would have been up earlier. I did 2 different videos for them and then went out of town. When I was out of town, I tried to upload them and they were corrupt. So I just got back in. I'm going to fly out, but I want to remake the video so I can get them up before the month is over with. So as I showed you before, their dies come in a cloth bag, which is just so pretty, drawstring cloth bag. I just moved it and I don't have time to go get it. But it's very nice presentation, and it's only $12.99. Exclusive designs each month, and you can cancel at any time. Just gotta do your 30-day notice like with any other subscription. But once the die's gone, they're gone. But this month came with 2 border dies. Two small circular doily or flower-like dies. It depends on how you want to use it. In the medium, and this is another like doily spider web type image, depends on how you want to interpret that. And then another large doily, which you can see those based on my hand. So of course I use these in my projects, and I will show you what I made. So what I did for the first one was I made a flip book. So I cut out my tags using a Sizzix die, which I just, oh my gosh, everything is moved, sorry. So anyway, this the Sizzix die, it has like 5 different tag sets in there, and I use my We Are Memory Keepers a reinforcer punch to make the little reinforcers. I didn't put anything on the ring yet, but I will. I used the Amy Tangerine paper I got from Tuesday morning and got it on clearance, but it's also out right now. It's not on clearance, so you gotta check that. So I just decided to use that paper pad because I thought it was some nice colorful paper, and I used some other little company dies. I used this Forest Fox die by Spellbinders, a Muse 2, a Flamingo, and this Trophy. So some gold thread and red thread. And I also used a little piece from this Amy Tangerine ephemera pack that goes along with the paper pad. So I will show you what I did. So, and some stickers, dimensional stickers that I got from Tuesday morning that goes along with it, and the washi tape that goes along with that paper pad as well. So, and some bling from the Sparkle, which is Joann's. This is a sticky pad that I used, that this came from Michael's. So anyway, I put the fox together, and right here is one of the small little doilies. This is a little spider web looking one. Put some of the little bling, the whole enforcer. That's the edge, the boundary, the border die right there. And then the little hi sticker, say hi. And he's cute. So the next one, and I put these little word sentiments came from the Dollar Tree, and this one says shake it off. So you had a little amusement park there, some red bling here, some washi tape, but then there's that red border right there, the border die. There's the spider web looking doily die, and then the amusement, and then right here this little red flower like doily under there as well. The next one, just use some washi and some bling, some washi strips, some bling, and some leaves and a flower and a pineapple that says happy and a flamingo. But in the background right here, with one of the little enamel dots on it, is one of the little doilies, and that's one of the larger ones that look like spiderweb, and then that's the border strip as well. So oops, kind of gives the appearance of grass, that little border. Fun spring one. This next one, I used some red thread on it, some purple beads, and this taco comes from that ephemera pack. Some more beads down here in washi, and then that red border right there, and then that spiderweb looking doily in the background. And these are real simple and fun to make. So I did the fox again, and I put the word pretty up there, 2 layers of washi, and that's one of the larger round doilies. and scallop doilies, and then the large spiderweb one, and some enamel dots in the reinforcer. And then this pineapple also came from that that ephemera pack, and those dies right there cut out. There's that green small doily, and then the spiderweb doily. Then this gold is the border die, and then some purple enamel dots. And then another flamingo, and I put some little gold thread behind this one, and a green border, and it says joy. And they right there is one of those, the smaller circle ones. And just put an enamel dot on that one. And last but not least is this trophy die, and some enamel dots and some washi, and just the doily on that one. And that says friendship. So those are my project share, my tags that I made using those. Really easy to cut out, fun to make, and you can use these in so many different ways, because the circle shape is basic. A doily is a basic shape to any scrapbook, and you kind of pretty much have those in there, and it can come in handy to layer, so, and to do different things with. So that was using those. So again, check out Coco and Reno. Coco and Reno. They're on Instagram by that name, and as well here on the YT. I can't talk, I'm sorry, early in the morning, I gotta fly out. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless, bye-bye.